I get a specific version of the ISB or IIM question from senior professionals, people with 8, 10, 15 years of experience who assume their only two options are ISB's flagship one-year PGP or an IIM executive MBA, and who have no idea that there are several distinct programs designed for very different profiles within senior professional. If you are at this stage of your career, the mistake I see most often isn't choosing the wrong school. It's not realizing there's a program specifically built for your exact level of seniority and ending up in a program designed for someone 5 or 10 years behind or ahead of where you actually are. If you are new here, hi, I am Madhuri, an ISB alumna and your go-to person for everything MBA and career growth. Subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. In this video, I'm going to map out the full executive program landscape, ISB's options and IIM options by career stage, so you know exactly which program is even the right comparison to make for you. Let's get started. Here's the framework I want you to hold in your head throughout this video. There isn't one ISB versus IIM executive program comparison. There are three, and each one serves a different career stage. Tier 1 is for professionals with roughly 5 to 10 years of experience, people building towards senior leadership but not yet operating at the top of their organization. Tier 2 is for professionals with around 7 to 12 years of experience who can step away from work entirely for a year, a full-time intensive executive MBA experience. Tier 3 is for senior professionals with 10 plus years of experience, often already at director level or above, who cannot and do not want to take a career break at all. Let's dive deeper into the options for each tier. Tier 1, which is for the part-time programs for building towards senior leadership. This tier is for people who want a serious executive credential while continuing to work full-time, typically 5 to 10 years into their career. ISB's program here is PGP Pro, the postgraduate program in management for working professionals. It runs for 18 months, delivered across alternating weekends, combined with on-campus residencies, and includes one international immersion module. It's offered across 4 cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Bangalore, which matters a lot if relocating for the program isn't realistic for you. Eligibility requires a minimum of 5 years of work experience. Fees are approximately 32 lakhs plus GST. IIM Bangalore's equivalent program is the PGP EM, the postgraduate program in enterprise management, sometimes referred to as IIM Bangalore's weekend MBA. It runs for 2 years with classes on Friday afternoons and Saturdays. Eligibility requires a minimum of 4 years of work experience, along with a valid CAT, GMAT or GRE score, or IIM Bangalore's own entrance test. Fees are comparatively lower than ISB's equivalent, roughly 20 lakhs. The core trade-off in this comparison is duration and structure versus cost. ISB PGP Pro is shorter overall and offers more flexibility in where you attend, but at a higher price point. IIM Bangalore's program takes longer but costs significantly less, and it does require a test score, which ISB's PGP Pro does not. If a test score is an obstacle for you, whether due to time constraints or simply not wanting to add exam prep on top of full-time work and a part-time MBA, that alone might settle the decision for you. Tier 2 is for the full-time 1-year executive programs. This tier is for professionals who can step away from their job entirely for a year, typically people with 7 to 12 years of experience, often making a more significant pivot than Tier 1 allows for. ISB doesn't have a separate program at this exact tier. Its flagship 1-year PGP, which requires a minimum of 2 years of experience and averages 4 to 5 years in the cohort, ends up overlapping somewhat for more senior candidates, but the more direct comparison in this tier are entirely on the IIM side. IIM Ahmedabad's PGP-X is widely regarded as the most prestigious executive MBA in India. It's a 1-year full-time residential program requiring a complete career break and a valid GMAT score. The average cohort's GMAT score is notably high, around 697 with the GMAT Focus Edition. Fees are approximately 38 to 48 lakh INR with flexible installment options available as well. IIM Bangalore's ePGP is a similar 1-year full-time residential format with a notably large and diverse cohort for this category, including a decent percentage with international work experience. It draws strong consulting and technology placements, helps significantly by Bangalore's position as India's tech hub. IIM Calcutta's MBA-X rounds out this tier with strong placement outcomes, particularly in finance and consulting, leveraging the institute's quantitative strength. If you are at this career stage and can afford to take a full year away from work, this tier offers some of the strongest brand equity and placement options of any executive program in India. IIM Ahmedabad's PGP-X in particular carries exceptional weight in Indian corporate circles and consulting circles, The real question is less which school and more can I actually afford a full year without income, and is my career goal significant enough to justify that trade-off. Tier 3 programs are for senior leaders who cannot take a career break. This is the tier that I think gets the least attention relative to how relevant it is, because the people who need it most often don't know it exists. ISB's program here is PGP Max. It's designed specifically for professionals with 10 or more years of experience. The average participant has around 16 years, already operating at director level or above, senior managers, functional heads, CXOs, and entrepreneurs. It runs for 15 months, but unlike every program I have described so far, it doesn't require you to step away from work at all. You attend one intensive residential week roughly every 6 weeks, totaling 12 weeks on campus across the full 15 months, while continuing to draw your salary and apply what you are learning directly to your actual role in real time. And here's the detail that surprises most people. PGP Max requires no GMAT, no GRE, and no standardized test of any kind. Admission is based entirely on your professional profile, your essays, your recommendations, and your interview. For comparison, at this same seniority level, the closest IIM offerings are typically blended or modular executive formats at individual IIMs, though these vary considerably in structure and aren't as standardized across institutes as the one-year full-time programs in Tier 2. If you are 10 plus years into your career and someone suggests you go to IIM ACE PGPX, pause and ask whether that's actually the right fit. Because PGPX assumes a full-time career break, and at 16 years of average experience, that's a very different ask than it is for someone with 7 or 8 years of work ex. PGP Max exists specifically because that full-year career break becomes increasingly unrealistic the more senior you get, both financially and professionally. If a test score and a full year away from your organization are both real obstacles, PGP Max is built exactly for that constraint. Not as a compromise, but as the format that actually makes sense at this level. So how do you figure out your own tier? If you're 5 to 10 years in, still building towards senior leadership and want to keep working while you study, you are in Tier 1. Decide between ISB PGP Pro and IIM Bangalore's PGP EM based on your tolerance for a test score and your budget. If you're 7 to 12 years in, making a significant pivot and can afford to take a full year away from work, you are in Tier 2. This is where IIM's executive programs, particularly PGPX, carry the strongest brand weight in India. If you are 10 plus years in, already operating at a senior level, and a full year break simply isn't realistic for you or for your role and your finances, you are in Tier 3. And ISB PGP Max deserves serious consideration, specifically because no other major program in India is built quite the same way for this exact constraint. The biggest mistake at this career stage isn't picking ISB over IIM or IIM over ISB. It's not realizing which tier you actually belong in before you start comparing schools at all. Get the tier right first, and the comparison within it becomes much more specific and much easier to make properly. Tell me in the comments how many years of experience you have, and I'll tell you which tier I think you should actually be considering and researching. If you would like help figuring out exactly where you fit and which program makes sense for your specific profile, your goals, that's something that I work through in my one-on-one consultations. The link to schedule the call is in the description box and pinned in the comments. Like this video if it helped, share it with someone navigating this decision at the senior end of their career, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.